everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So today we will discuss about how the bank nifty performed today, and somewhat I will discuss about my expiry day trade, how I was able to take positions according to the movements, and the analysis for tomorrow. So let's begin with today. So first of all, I like to say, yesterday at the levels which I have mentioned, actually bank nifty almost worked on those levels. So as we can see that in the morning itself, that it gave a kind of a big opening at this level above 38,000, but it couldn't sustain that level and it immediately came down. So we can say the volatility was kind of only in the morning we could see, but after that we could see this kind of volatility in the market, but it almost remained in this particular zone, and then it tried to touch the 37,400 levels as well. So what were my position as per this? So as I mentioned yesterday as well, that if it's not going above 38,200 or able to sustain above 38,400 levels, I will not go long in bank nifty. So I accordingly I acted, and all my positions were intraday positions. I didn't take any overnight positions for carried any overnight position looking at the market volatility, and I was not expecting that market could open give a gap down or a gap up opening, so I didn't carry anything. But intraday I was able to make quite good profit, and I only sold my call positions, and I have actually taken the positions accordingly. I'll just attach my video as well of my positions and the profit I booked. So I booked around 2.10 profits, which I posted on my Twitter timeline as well. Yeah, so this is my today's profit which I booked in the expiry day. So let's begin that how the bank nifty can behave today. So as I mentioned yesterday as well, that yeah, irrespective of the news what's going on, we can only like the only indication or the only thing which we can trust on is the charts, what it is showing on. So for tomorrow, these are the levels which I have marked. So as we saw today that 38,400 in bank nifty tried to touch 38,400 levels. So if tomorrow bank nifty kind of opens at below this levels or able to sustain below this level, we could see more sell off in bank nifty. But suppose if bank nifty open above 37,500 levels and is not able to sustain at that level, and it comes down to this level, it can go further if it able to sustain at this level. That's why I have marked this zone. This zone is very much important to see how bank nifty performs today, or it goes beyond this level or not. So if it goes beyond this level, the first target which I am looking at is this one. So you can refer to my last week videos as well. This is always I am mentioning as my next support level, that is 37,200. After that you can take this 37,000 as a psychological support level, and if it breaks 37,000 as well, so we can go to 36,800 levels, and below this I have already discussed the levels in that video, but this is the level which I am looking for if it goes further below this. But if bank nifty doesn't give that kind of violent move tomorrow and it opens here and able to sustain here and doesn't break these levels which I have discussed, then we can see the bank nifty closing at this level. But if bank nifty opens above this level, so first zone which I am referring is the 37,800 to 900 zone, which it tried to touch today but couldn't sustain. But if bank nifty tomorrow opens above this level and it goes to 38,000 level, able to touch it, and then further it's able to cross 38,200 and 400 levels and goes beyond it, then we can go long in bank nifty. Before this I am not considering bank nifty to go long in bank nifty, but mostly what bank nifty chart is showing up is mostly a sell off position, because it's every day it's creating its bottom. So that's what my view for tomorrow. So as I mentioned earlier as well, if you're not very much sure of the market trend due to the news and the events, because market is getting very volatile nowadays, so you can avoid trading for some time because rather than like putting on your capital and bearing a huge loss, it's better that you don't put your capital, and you can close, not do trading, or you can do trading with less quantity. That's what I would say. But always go by the charts, what charts are showing up, because the indicators which are marked here, or the trend lines which I have drawn, this is something like which you can consider as a support, resistance, and you can act accordingly if it behaves in this manner. And if you are a buyer, you can buy above this level, and if you are a seller, you can sell your calls below this level. So this is my view for tomorrow. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with the ones who would be interested in bank nifty analysis. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.